All I can find is a pencil. I've aligned it with this edge, which is a straight edge, and this corner here is straight as well. I must say that the pencil works a lot better than the ballpoint pen did. Oh. Missed that little radius. On that corner. Missed that little radius on that corner. Okay, that's good. So we've got the shape of the side window there, the rear windows there. So I'm going to cut these out, take them to the glass shop tomorrow and get some new glass. One of them and one of them. Well, I've got the old saw fired up. I know the light's not great now, but hey, I want to get down to the shop first thing in the morning, so I need to cut these out tonight. Oops. Let's try the easier one first. Tripping hazard. Bit of sand in there, that'll be fine. Cool, nice, good. I'll get a block and some sandpaper and sand them up now. Down to the line till the line disappears. I'll get them down to the line disappears, and then that's the size, isn't it? Nice one. Ooh. A little bit warm. I've had a tidy up in here. I've had a tidy up in this shed. So now I've got a place to put my saw. Like that. And my workmate. And my ladder. And my lawnmower. I got rid of some engines. I moved them into the shed, into the garage. The garage. A few offcuts to be thrown away. Right then, okay, good. Nice one. Let's leave it at that. I'd already done the sides before I turned the camera on. That's a good thing about these workmates, you can put things in them vertically like that. Oh, which side's got the line on it? This side's got the line. If I do better like that. Yeah. Job done. I'll just put my name on it and phone number, and so that they can get in touch with me when it's done.